Learned a little interesting fact today. Did you know magnets work because of the movement of tiny particles called electrons inside atoms? When these tiny electron mini magnets line up in the same direction, they create an invisible pulling or pushing force known as a magnetic field. Electrons and spin. Everything is made of atoms, and every atom has electrons. Electrons spin and act like tiny magnets. In most objects, the electrons point in random directions, so their magnetic force cancels out. I have a magnet right here. See? Magnet. And then, boop. I don't even know if I got it on camera. I didn't. Okay. See? See how that works? Boop. Okay. So, if everything's made of atoms and every atom has electrons, then these electrons spin and act like tiny magnets. In most objects, the electrons point in random directions, so their magnetic forces cancel each other out. Interesting. Magnetic domains. In magnetic metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt, small groups of atoms line up together. These groups are called magnetic domains. When a metal is not a magnet, these domains point in different random ways. When you magnetize the metal, for example, rubbing a magnet on it, you force all the domains to point in the same direction. This teamwork creates a strong net magnetic field. Did you also know that poles and forces, that every magnet has two ends called poles, a north pole and a south pole. Invisible magnetic fields lines loop out of the north pole and go into the south pole. Opposite poles, north and south, pull towards each other. They attract. The same poles, north and north, or south and south, push away from each other. They repel. And did you know we're living on one of these? Our Earth. The North and South Poles. This is amazing, amazing. Like, I know that I learned this a long time ago, but like, I was sitting there making a song, and I realized I had a magnet sitting on my motorcycle, and I was like, wow, what a cool, what do they call it? Physics? Or, I don't know if that's the right word. Oh, well, I guess I'll find out when I go to occupational therapy.